I'm Eli with FranFunnel. Should you put calendar links in introductory text? This is certainly one of our most asked questions, and let me start by saying these are your messages and they're yours to customize. If you insist on sending links in your intro messages, we will allow you to do so. That being said, we strongly recommend against the practice, and here's why. First, text messaging is how people communicate with their friends and family. The way to get the best results is to send messages the way that you would text your friends and your family. If you were to get a link from a phone number you didn't recognize, would you be apt to click it? Of course not. So why would you expect your leads to do so? Secondly, wireless carriers like Verizon and AT&T hate when businesses include links in automated text. The more links you send, the more likely you are to be flagged as a text spammer, which could impair your ability to send messages in the future. Similar to email, getting a reputation as a spammer is incredibly harmful. The bottom line is that you may think that putting a calendar link is more effective and saves time, but our experience demonstrates just the opposite. You're much better off ending your introductory text with questions like, what time are you available for a quick call? Our job here at FranFunnel is to help people get the best outcomes they possibly can, and it's very unlikely that putting a calendar link in your introductory text will help people achieve the outcome that they want.